Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to unstar or remove a star from an email in Gmail. If you've ever starred an email and later decided it no longer needs special attention, this guide will make the process quick and simple. First, open Gmail by navigating to mail.google.com in your web browser, or use the Gmail app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in with the correct account, as this is essential for accessing your starred emails. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the familiar inbox page, ready to manage your emails efficiently. Now, the next step is to locate the email you want to unstar. You can find it directly in your main inbox, or for easier access, go to the starred label on the left-hand side of your screen. This label collects all your starred emails in one convenient place, making it simple to find any email you previously marked as important. Once you've identified the email, look for the star icon next to it. This icon represents the starring feature in Gmail and is a handy way to mark messages for quick reference later. Click on the star icon and watch it change instantly. When the star is filled, it indicates the email is starred. Clicking it again will turn it into an outline, showing that the email has been unstarred. This simple action removes the email from your starred folder, helping you declutter and focus on the messages that truly need your attention. It's a small but effective step in keeping your inbox organized and maintaining productivity. Managing your starred emails efficiently ensures that important messages don't get lost among less urgent ones. And that's it. You've successfully unstarred an email, returning it to a standard state. Remember, starring and unstarring emails is completely reversible, giving you flexibility to adjust priorities as needed. By keeping your email organized in this way, you can maintain a more efficient and productive workflow. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks to streamline your digital workspace.